Let's see how the gold has done yesterday. On the daily time frame, we can see the price yesterday created a bearish candle with the larger wick on the lower side and a smaller wick on the upper side, which means the price was trying to move further down, making a bearish breakout, going below this area of a small support. But then we can see the price could not manage to continue losing its value, but it has returned back up, and we can see the price has closed very close to the open price. Now, what we can see on the lower time frames, we will see what the price has tried. Yesterday, the price was trying to make bearish breakout below this area of support. It has managed to do that, and we can see the price continue to lose its value all the way to 3620.44. It was a very important support level, and we can see the price formed a bearish breakout for the second time. This was the first time, this was the first attempt. The second time, the price has managed to go down and close the candle, and then the price even further down continued to lose its value, but then it has returned suddenly with a strong bullish candle. We can see a strong one with a larger wick on the upside. From there, the price has created two indecision candles, which means there was some kind of a large volatility on the market, the fight between the buyers and the sellers, and eventually the buyers have succeeded to win this race and then continue to rise in value. After that, we can see again 3641.84 was the resistance level for the price. The price returned back down, making a retrace, but then several hours after that, the price could not manage to make a bearish breakout below this area of support 3632. Finally, in the last few hours, the price managed to make a bullish breakout about 3641.84. We can see that here. A strong bullish candle has been formed on the chart, which is indicative for the rise in value. So I'm expecting that the price will try to reach this area very close to the 3658.36, a supply zone, a resistance area where the price is experiencing a strong selling pressure, like in this example here a few days ago. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price is bouncing from this area of support. Yesterday, the price formed this bearish breakout candle, indicating further decline in value. The price has reached to the next support level here and then return back up with this strong bullish candle, and also it is bullish engulfing candle formed here on the chart. After that, the price continues to rise in value, and we can see an hour ago, 4 hours ago candle, we can see that here formed a strong bullish candle, indicating that there is still potential for the price to make a move and reach this area of resistance. So for now, for today at least, I'm expecting that the price will reach this area of supply zone very close to 3658.36, a resistance level, and from there we will see how the price behaves. On the daily time frame, we do not have too much information. It's visible right here because the price is going down, up, then again down, but we can see it is slightly rising for several days, which means there is high potential that the price will reach this area of supply zone at resistance level. So all of these three time frames, daily, 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, are suggesting that the price will try to reach this area of supply zone. So this is the first target for today. After that, what happens around this area of resistance, it depends, and then we will see what happens on the 1-hour time frame, because it's very important to see how the price behaves on the lower time frame, which could be also indication where the price will go further on during the day. Today is a Friday, which means in the afternoon there could be also higher volatility for the price, and also the price could retrace from this area of supply zone, which means the traders could lock their profits before the weekend starts. So in the afternoon the price could retrace back again, but also the price could make a bullish breakout and then continue to rise in value. This could be also an option, but this is something that we will see following 1 hour by hour, and also how the price will behave when it comes very close to this area of resistance. Like in this example, we can see the price has retraced back down. In the second attempt, the price also retraced back down, could not manage to reach this area of resistance, but only a supply zone around this area of resistance. So for now, that's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.